Where's the fishy, Bryce? Get the fish. You got dirt all over your mouth. All those toys and look what they both got in their hand.
I know. Hey, Bryce. Brycer. Bryce. Hey, Bryce.
Bryce. What you got? Oh, you got a piece of dirt in your mouth.
So who needs teething toys? I got pine needles and AstroTurf.
Ugh, that's a big piece.
Jeez, we came with like 0 battery and 7 minutes of space.
Look here, Bryce. There's a fishy, 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 fishy.
Bryce. Hey, BB. Bryce, hello. Yeah, get that fish. Get that fish. Hey, Bryce, look at Mom. Hi, baby doll. Hi. Ellie, can you say hi to Mom? Ellie, say hi to Mommy.
What are we doing this week?
Camping. Yay. Bryce, one more grand.
Bryce. Bryce. Where's the fishy? What's the fishy doing?